Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and this is what we're going to make today. Actually, I did this whole video a little while ago and thought I was filming, and I wasn't. So we're going to make another one. But this is just a little clipboard, and I use these and put them in my kids' stockings every year, my grandkids, and they absolutely love them. They think they're the grandest thing that ever was. And I'm just using some scrap paper, as you can see. They don't really care what the back looks like. They're just interested in all of this paper and all that kind of stuff. And I usually just include them. I put these in bags, and I include a little pen of some kind in there. I will link below the pens that I use to put with these. They're little short pens, and I get them off of Amazon. I get them in a pack, and I just usually in the bag I include them a little pen, and that way they've got something special, and they absolutely love them. And then I just put one of the little stickers from these stickers that we used in our project yesterday. All right, so we're going to get started making this, and this one I'm going to be making a little bit smaller because I had this paper left over when I did that one, and I didn't want to waste it, so I just made my little notepad with this. This one is 3 by 4 is what size this one is. Now, this one is not as thick as that, but I did show yesterday in the video how to put these notepads together just by using your art glitter glue. I don't know if other type glues will work. They probably will, but it just has to be a liquid glue. And then it's where you can just pull that up and tear that off just like you would a notebook that you'd buy in town. I use all of my scrap paper to make little notebooks, and I keep them on my desk and I jot notes on them, whatever. They're absolutely fantastic for that. And then at the end of the year, I use them to do this kind of thing. So see, when they use this one up, they can just take this out and then replace it with another notepad. All right, let's put that one back on there, and then put my little bow back down. All right, this paper, this is the paper from the Country Christmas from Prima. Christmas in the Country, I said it backwards, from Prima. This is what came in our November kit, and I'm going to use this paper for, let's see, I'm going to use this for the front, I think. So what I'm going to do, it's a 6 by 6 sheet, and it doesn't come all the way around because this piece is 3.5 by 4.5. So what you need to do, whatever size paper pad you make, you need to increase the size of your chipboard by 1/2 inch. So this is 3 by 4, so I'm making this 3.5 by 4.5. So just remember to increase the size of your chipboard by 1/2 inch. So I know the paper's not going to meet in the back, so all I'm going to do is take a scrap piece and I'm going to put right down the center. And I'm going to see, I probably won't be able to match it up, but I can get it pretty close. So I'm going to use our art glitter glue and put this down. These are quick and easy to make, and you can use up lots of scraps that you have and make some really cute notebooks for the kids. And like I said, my kids love them. Love, love, love them. They look forward to them every year, and if I don't put one in their stocking, they get upset. So I try to make quite a few for them, and I just bag them up and put those little pins in there, and they're so excited. They think they have got something really, really special. Which I guess it is special if Nene made it for them. But okay, we've got that chipboard glued down on there. Now we're just going to rock this just like we have done before when we make our little notebook covers. That way it breaks down the fibers on the side of that so that we can fold that over. Just like that. So we didn't get it exactly to match up, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, this is the back, and they're not going to care what that back looks like. They're just going to be using the front. And then I'm just going to cut the sides just a little bit at an angle. And I'm going to leave about a little bit over 1/8 of an inch between the chipboard and where I cut. This will just make the edges, make your corners nice and flush. So there we go. Let's see if that works. Yep, looks pretty good. Okay. Now I'm going to use some score tape to put this together because it'll hold a lot better and I don't have to wait on the glue to dry. So we're just going to put score tape right on the edges. Just like that. And you can see it doesn't have to be straight because mine's not very straight. Alright, I put the sides up first. I could not believe when I filmed that. I thought I was filming that whole video and I got finished and started to edit it, and there was nothing there. Nothing at all. Okay. Now on the corners, see you've got that real sharp corner. I take these and I peck them down like that. What that does is it makes that corner a little bit more rounded where it's not a chance of it tearing so easy. So just peck that corner down. That's just a little tip for you. And if you have just a little white piece showing like I do right there, I have a little bit of white showing. And what I'm going to do is take my tool here with a little bit of ink on it, and I'm just going to ink over that. Now I'm going to clip that little piece of paper off wherever it was. There it is. There we go. So there is a nice little chipboard back, and then this is going to go on the front just like that, and I'm just going to use one of these little clips to clip this on here. Just going to kind of center it up and then clip that right in the center. And then I just tied a little bow, and we're going to put that little green bow right there. Now you can use hot glue if you want to on this. I'm just going to, for the video's sake, I'm just going to use a glue dot. But when I put these on for permanent, I will definitely use some hot glue so that it'll stay nice and tight there so the kids won't get it pulled off. There we go. Alright. So there is your little notepad, and let's put a little sticker on the front here. What can we put on there? Let's see. Let's just put, I was going to put that little tree, but it's blue. I don't want to put a blue tree. Oh, why not? Let's just put a little blue tree. I want a little tree on here. So we'll put a little blue tree right there, and we're finished. That is just how quick and easy these are to make. And like I said, you put them in a bag and put a little pen with them. And I don't have one of those pens right here on my desk. I'll have to pull them out of my drawer. I keep them stored away so my grandkids won't get them and use them up before I have a chance to make these. But I'll show you the pens in the video. They're just little short pens. And like I said, I will have a link below. I will have a link to the chipboard that we sell. All the product that I used in here. I think we even have some extra ribbon. This is the satin ribbon. So if I do, I'll put a link to everything that we use down below so that you can make these as well. And I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little bell when that bell pops up so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. We thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.